What's up, guys? Fashion Mechanics back to you guys with another video. Today we got the Shadow Backboards 3.0s. We're gonna be giving you guys our thoughts and opinions about this sneaker. Despite the controversy, guys, we're gonna be sharing guys why we chose to pick it up. And guys, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because we're gonna show you guys a detailed on-feet review because Jordan changed the design. So we're gonna show you guys how we style the sneakers, so you guys should stay tuned. Guys, we're gonna start off with a quick unboxing to show you guys how it came in the box. It comes in your standard Air Jordan 1 box, nothing really special about the box. We're gonna jump right in. We got our pair from StockX, and it comes with this extra pair of laces. We're not gonna be using this, we're gonna stick with the black one. And guys, this is one of those sneakers that you just have to pick it up for yourself to see how it looks, because a lot of people are hating it because Nike went around with this glossy finish, but I actually like it because it adds a lot of interest and detail to the sneaker. And I like that like leather, and like it's actually softer. I thought it was gonna be like really like uncomfortable and like stiff, but guys, like this is a very interesting pair of sneaker. It's different from the previous Shadow Backboards. And guys, this is a really nice sneaker. I like the midsole. It adds like a vintage effect to the sneaker. And guys, you guys should go to your standard Air Jordan 1 size because it fits really true to size and it's not really uncomfortable. I thought it was gonna be uncomfortable when I first picked it up, but it's really comfortable. It fits exactly the same as like the regular Air Jordan 1s. And there you go, guys. This is a sneaker. This is a beautiful pair of sneakers despite the controversy. So you guys should pick it up for yourself to decide if you guys like it. Guys, there's a lot of controversy surrounding this sneaker. A lot of people are mad that Jordan brand decided to go with like a glossier finish and like the crinkly leather. But I like this because like Jordan like took a risk out there. Like they chose to go with different materials than the previous ones. The previous one had a matte finish and most people wanted this one to just have a matte finish also. But I think like if they did that, it wouldn't be special. Like they try to make this special. That's why they went with this glossy finish. And special on like the Shadow Backboards, that's why people were like, it's like going crazy over those. When this one surfaced, I was kind of skeptical because like people were talking a lot of trash about these. Yeah, there's been nicknamed a bunch of like destroying names, like the Chicken Grease one. Like glossy, like what other types of names that I couldn't believe. But like having this shoe on my hand, guys, like it changed my opinion because like this sneaker is one of those sneakers that when you look in a picture, it doesn't look pleasant, but when you have it in your hand, it looks really beautiful. It's one of those type of sneakers that grows on you, and we don't really have like a patent leather type of Jordan 1 in our closet, so we had to pick up this one. And this is like a Shadow Backboard, so it's gonna add like a subtle flex to your outfit. Guys, like this is around Halloween, like that orange color is really gonna be a trend. Like this is one of the best colors to pick up around this time of the year. The Shadow Backboard is a very hyped up colorway, and most people are like wanting it to stay the same and be like regular like the other ones. But I like how Jordan decided to take a risk and go with like this kind of this design because it kind of grows on you when you see it at first. And we also thought this sneaker was gonna be really uncomfortable because like we thought the leather was gonna be stiff since it has that glossy finish. But like surprisingly, guys, this sneaker is very comfortable. The leather is very soft on this sneaker, and like this is very comfortable to wear. And a lot of people are giving the sneaker flag for like the midsole because the midsole is like this off-white color, and a lot of people are saying it's gonna get like really dirty. And man, come on, guys, it's a midsole. It's like that's every sneaker is gonna eventually get dirty in the midsole. So like that's not like a reason why you should be hating this sneaker. And to me, the midsole actually adds like an interesting detail to the sneaker. It makes the sneaker look more vintage, which is gonna add to like our vintage aesthetic because we like wearing like vintage stuff, and it's gonna go really well with this sneaker. In 2019, Jordan has pushed out a lot of colorways in the Jordan 1s. They've had like the women's release with the satin pairs, and they've had like the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. I think like the LA to Chicago came out as well. There's a lot of colorways that's come out in the Jordan 1s, and there's more coming up, so I want to see what they have in store in the future. And we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. Since Jordan went with this glossy finish, it's gonna be like really interesting to style, and most people are gonna be skeptical. But like guys, we put together a detail on feet showing you guys how to style this sneaker, so you guys should stay tuned to the end of the video. And before the video ends, please guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel below, and please turn on your post notifications so you get notified when when we post a new video. And guys, make sure you drop a like on this video. Please guys, drop a comment as well. Tell us if you guys are gonna pick up this sneaker, and tell us if you guys like the sneaker. Tell us if the glossy finish is too much for you. Until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.